Hello my passionate love, so my name is Amy of amyspassiondiary and welcome po sa YouTube kanal. Alright, so I am here for another makeup tutorial slash product review for you guys, and you see it on thumbnail. This is a review on the new BEAUTYBAY Sunset Horizon palette. Well, it's been around for a couple of weeks now, and I finally ordered this one. I ordered this one actually the next day after I placed an order to BEAUTYBAY on the Book of Magic palette. They had like a 20% off on the website, and I just cannot let go of this palette. And I just knew that I need to have this palette in my collection as well to get honestly rid of my BEAUTYBAY Mmmmitchel palette, since that is not available anymore. And I know that these two palettes, this palette combined with the Book Magic, would be a great dupe for the Mmmmitchel palette, which is not available anymore. So yeah, I came up with this colorful makeup look. Well, colorful, well, it's pink and yellows and yep. So let me show you guys how the palette looks like inside. It comes with 20 colors and it has a massive mirror. So these are the gorgeous 20 colors. It's another colorful palette. You know how I love colorful palettes, so this is a bit right up my street, and I just knew that I need to purchase this palette as well. So this one retails for 18 euro, you guys, and if you are like, if you like colorful eyeshadows, then you know, get this palette. And yeah, the outside, the packaging, the box, I mean the palette itself, it's purple. So by the way, I still have the box in here because I'm gonna do like a whole video. The whole video probably will be up before this makeup tutorial slash product review. But yeah, I ordered only two things actually from BEAUTYBAY. So this is the box looks like, and then this is the box that it came in. It comes with a plastic film. I drop it on the floor, nothing special. So so this is how the box looks like of that palette, just in case that I forgot to show you. Very slick, very simple. It's black and it says eyeshadow all over the box, as you all probably can see, and it says at the top Sunset Horizons. That's the palette. Very different than the Book of Magic, but the Book of Magic is their holiday palette, I believe, and that's perfect. So I'm gonna have a swatches on the screen of the beautiful shimmers that has micro fine glitters in it. This one is definitely a very squishy one. Not all of it has like kind of like that kind of glitter texture. Some of it you can feel it, like this one and this one and this one. You can definitely feel that there's glitters on it, very fine glitters, and not difficult to apply on the lid. Spoiler. So before we dive into the makeup tutorial, if you don't know me, my name is Amy, and I have a huge passion and heart for makeup or anything beauty related stuff, and as well as skincare. So please consider subscribing on my channel. That will totally helps me a lot, and my channel to grow as well. And yep, so to my new subscribers, my returning subscribers, hello there you guys. So thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for tuning in on today's video. Stay tuned at the end of the video to find out my final thoughts on this palette. So yeah, so that's that, you guys. So I'm gonna stop rambling right now, and we're gonna dive into the makeup tutorial. My lid using the Makeup Revolution Ultimate Eye Base. Alright, so we're going to start off with a pink shade called Flamingo. This one right here. So I'm going to blend out the edges of that pink shade because it's really quite harsh, and it will help a lot so when you apply your next shade. So we're gonna take another shade to blend out on the crease area above that kind of pink color, and I will be taking the shade Sorbet, this one right here. We're going to start on this kind of inner portion, and we're going to stop in the middle part where the orange stop. So I'll be taking the shade Zest, this bright yellow right here. As I said earlier, I used on the inner part the shade Zest, but I switched it to the shade Moonlit, this one right here, because apparently this one is deeper than the shade Zest. I swatched it. I should probably do that, swatch it and before I apply it on my lid, because then yeah, I will know which one is deeper and lighter. Alright, so we're gonna go back to the outer part of our lid again, and on the crease area we're going to apply the shade Reef, this light orangey color. go back into the inner portion of our eyes, and I will be taking the shade Zest, the lighter yellow, which is kind of also bright neon color, and I'm going to mix it with the shade Shell. This one right here, it's definitely very light. Let's see, it's kind of has a very yellow tone on it. It's kind of like a beige color. We're gonna go back into all the shades that we applied earlier, because as you can see with all the blendings and eyeshadows that you applied on top of other eyeshadows, they're losing their pigmentation. So we're gonna go back in from the first color up to the last color that we applied until we are happy with the pigmentation all. And I'm going to do that. I'm just going to mention the colors and you just follow me through this. Alright, so taking the shade Flamingo. Take now the shade Sorbet. Okay, so now we're going to take the shade Moonlit on the inner portion of our eye. Alright, so now we're going to take the shade Reef. This one right here. Now going back into the shade Zest and Shell, blending those two colors together, or mixing those two together, and we're gonna apply it on our inner portion of our eyes. So you know where this makeup look is going. We're gonna apply a black eyeshadow on the outer portion of our eyes. So we're going to take the shade Midnight. Alright, so she is pigmented. Alright guys, so we're going to blend out that black eyeshadow using the pink shade called Flamingo. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much happy with the blending, how it's looking right now, with the added black eyeshadow on the outer corner. Alright guys, so I successfully cutting the crease, and we are going to put a color on that lid where we put on the eye base again. So I decided I'm going to take two different shimmers. I'm going to take the shade Cocktail. Mostly we're going to apply it on the outer part of our lid. And to the inner portion, I'll be applying the shade Burst. I'm pretty much happy with how the lid looks. As you can see, they're pretty even. And now I'm going to do my face routine. I'm going to show you how I do my face makeup. Finish up the eye makeup look. As you can see, I already finished up the face routine. I already applied everything that I need to do on the face makeup. I just forgot to show the highlighter that I used. So this is the Hojo brand highlighter that I got from Amazon. And this is how it looks like. You already guys have seen this one. So for the lower lash line, we're just going to repeat what we have on our lid. So I will be taking the shade Flamingo, the bright pink color, and we're going to apply it on our lower lash line. Alright, so now we're going to take the shade Sorbet. So for the inner corners, I will be taking the shade Zest and Moonlit. I'm going to mix them both, these two together. Alright, so let's move on to the inner tear duct, and I'm going to use another shimmer shade to bring back the light on our eyes and make the eyes pop and lifted as well. So I'm going to take the shade Mirage. Oh yes. So I didn't wet it, but it looks freaking pigmented. Alright, so that's the same gold shade. We're going to apply it on the brow bone area. I'm not wetting the brush. We're just going to apply it straight on the brow bone. Ooh, it's so pigmented, you guys. Alright guys, so the eye makeup look, the whole makeup look is completely done. Well, almost done. So I'm going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara and falsies, and I'm going to fix my hair. And I will be right back with the final look and to wrap up this video as well. Alright, so hello there you guys. So I am back with a finished makeup look, and this is how it all turns out. So yep, so there you go. So I'm going to wrap up this video pretty quick and give you my final thoughts on this Beauty Bay Sunset Horizon palette. This is such a wonderful, beautiful palette. Very inexpensive, very affordable, and the pigmentation is definitely there. Very easy to blend eyeshadow. Absolutely love it. This eye makeup look, ooh, I'm totally obsessed, you guys. By the way, also I almost forgot to mention, so the lashes that I'm wearing is from Dodo Lashes as always. This is the D105. So I highly recommend this palette to you guys. It's 18 euro, and if you're into colorful eyeshadows, yeah, definitely get this palette. It's definitely a bunch of colorful eyeshadows. You don't have really a neutral shades to play with this one. Yeah, you have browns and black, but the rest are definitely colorful. So if it's something that you like colorful rainbow palettes, I highly suggest that you get this palette. I think it's really beautiful, and yep, so you need to definitely check this palette out. So yeah, I think that they could just get rid of one of this color and just replace it with something else. They could even replace it with like a kind of green color, light green color, but yep, it's absolutely no use to have two yellows here, because the pigmentation is not like a huge difference to one another. So they could definitely just replace it with a different color, but hey, that's how they came up with this palette, so we cannot do anything about it. So yep, I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. That will totally help me a lot. So I'm gonna give a quick shout out to lots of you who left a comment on my previous video, which is the Beauty Bay Book of Magic palette review and makeup tutorial. So first is the Dutch Pinay couple. Hello there, Bunso Love. So thank you so much for watching my premiere last time that I upload video, and as well as leaving me a comment on the comment section. Thank you so much. And I want to give a quick shout out to Makeup and SMR with Ben. Yeah, she's new to my channel, so thank you so much for your very lovely comment. And then Life by Tara. Hello there, sis love. So she's also a beauty vlogger and a fashion vlogger. I really love her videos. You definitely should check her channel out if you're into fashion and of course like makeup tutorials. She do such a very beautiful eye makeup look, especially those sultry, sexy, smoky eye makeup look. That's definitely her jam, and absolutely love her videos. And then Dana Star Blue. I still don't know how to pronounce your surname, sis love. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering your surname. But thank you so much, sis love, for another very beautiful comment that you left me. Thank you so much. You always make my day. Tata Nisha Sankar, you guys, if you haven't checked her channel out, you definitely should check her channel out. Her videos, makeup tutorials are beautiful. She also into cut crease, same as me, and she loves colorful eyeshadows as well. Very beautiful, and she's very talented. So check her channel out. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box, and you can definitely see it on the screen, her channel. Next is They Call Me Vina. Hello, this is Love. She's a makeup enthusiast and a vlogger in the Netherlands. So check her channel out. Carmi Bell. She's also new in my channel. Thank you so much, gorgeous, for sending me a lovely comment. Next is Pinay Mom's Vlog. Yeah, hello there, sis Love. She's also a vlogger in the Netherlands. Thank you so much for your very sweet comment. Cecil G. She's also new to my channel. Jed D. Is it D or Die? D, right? Hello there, Sisla. And then Pinay Dutch. Hello there, Sisla. So thank you so much for leaving me a comment on my last video. Thank you. And then Sheila's Vlog. Thank you so much, lovely, for sending me a very beautiful comment. Very sweet and kind. Thank you. Chalian. I think this is very new on my channel. So thank you so much on your very sweet and kind comment. And then Shine Weather. Hello there, babe. So thank you so much for your wonderful comment. Also a quick shout out to I'm Bems. Hello, sis Bem. Thank you so much for attending my premiere. So that's all for the shout out for today. I'm so sorry, I'm not really feeling well, so I can't really focus on things that I am doing and saying, and also I hope that you don't mind. So that's pretty about it for today's video. I want to wish you all a lovely day or lovely evening, whichever part of the world you are. Please stay happy, healthy and safe. Wash your hands properly, and I will see you guys on my next video. And as always, be confident and stay grounded. Bye everyone.